Alright, it's a perfect Saturday morning. Got the door open. It's 52 degrees in here. I'm in my shirt sleeves. It's closer to 60 outside. I just opened the door, so I had to put this thing off the lift because I had to work on a Subaru this week. I spotted a leak under it where it was parked, and I wheeled it in here, and turns out the oil filter is about to fall off. So glad I spotted that. That was a good save. And so now what I need to do is something. I need to get some coating on that stand, and I need to brace up the inside of this car so I can pull the body off the frame. That's what I need to do. That's what I need to do. Alright, I'm going to quit talking about it and get busy. Once again, I'm having a lot of distractions, but I got it kind of braced up in there. I know it's kind of ugly, but it's okay. I think that'll keep it from getting too walkie-jawed. I'm going to pick the car up now and attach it a little better from down low, up in the front corners anyways. And then I'm going to start unbolting the body, I reckon. Now I'm going to whip up my rear shock mount before I pull the body off. I got all the bolts loose. I need to whip that up. I'm going to run a piece of 2-inch pipe from there to there and then weld the angle so it'll catch the shock. I think I'll cut them out. I don't know. I gotta think on that. Seems like that's the right thing to do though. Cut those out. All the body mounts are loose. I got it braced up. I've seen the rusty spots. Time to get busy. Oh yeah, that's stainless steel. I mean, if you got it, right? Alright. There's my shock mounts. Roughed in there. When I pull the body off, I'll weld everything in nice. But I think that'll do, and then we'll just cut those pockets out when the body's off, I think, and then maybe put a little door or I don't know, access port or something like that on top to get to the bolts, but the shocks won't be attached to the body. That's my idea. Alright, I think I've done everything I ought to do to pull the body off. I think. But what my dilemma is, I can't lift on the rockers, which is a convenient place because I gotta rebuild those. So I don't know, I've got to study on it a minute here. Alright, here's what I think I'm going to do. I'm going to put some straps here. This angle is welded in this structure here, the body mount. And wrap a strap around it. And then I think I'll hook a strap here. And the same on the other side, and then put the lift arms above the car and pick it up that way. That's what I'm thinking. Alright, that's how I'm going to proceed. Put in the comments if you think that's a dumb idea. Trouble is it'll be too late, but put it in the comments anyway. Kind of a sad day. I done sold my Suburban. But you can't keep them all. And really, This one was a little too nice for me. So, goodbye, old girl. Kind of makes me feel a little bit emotional. Big tough guy like me. That's one of the best 40 bucks I ever spent right there. One of. I can't recall what the other one would be, but that's what I was thinking. Hey, how do you like that stance? Maybe I'll just do that. Won't have to worry about tires rubbing then. Will I? Yeah, I don't think I can do that. Alright. I'm gonna have to close the door, ain't I? Well, maybe not. Because that's as high as it goes. That's as high as she goes, son. That's alright. That's alright. That's high enough. Alright, I got her up off the frame. I was looking at this thing. What do you suppose this is for? A little under the bumper. Best I can tell, it's just to hold water and rust things out. What other purpose would it have? Bad as I hate to do it, it's close to quitting time. And I'm going to need a shower anyway, so I think I'm going to fire up the wear wheel. Now that I got this thing outdoors. And clean up the top of the frame. And whatever else seems appropriate to clean. And then I'll go take a shower. It's that time of the month. Look at her, she's driving it. Come on, bark him one time. Just
how do I do that?
Bunch of gas.